Hi, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm just edited some videos. It's just a really quick update video just to say that there won't be an episode tonight for a variety of reasons. Obviously we're in the middle of our Polish series, but we'll pick up back up on Friday when actually we'll start our series of KRAKOW videos. We've got 4 videos. The first one sees us actually get to KRAKOW and set up camp, which is unusual for us. So if you're thinking of traveling to Poland and visiting KRAKOW, that might be of interest to you. And then we've got 3 videos at around KRAKOW. First one gets us into the centre of KRAKOW and starts to see the sights and the back streets. The next one after that is actually a real special one, which is the Auschwitz video, and then a final wrap-up video where we actually do something quite special on the last video. So check those out coming up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps the channel and supports us. We'll see you soon.